Hey guys, and welcome back to another unboxing vlog. So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng Spy Family. Ayan, kasama natin si Skylar Gray, si Nunez. So ngayon guys, ito si Anya. Ito yung itsura ng kanyang box sa harap. At ito yung itsura ng box niya sa side. Sa front pala. Saan? Oh, may peanut butter. Oh, let's open it na. Dahil excited na tayo magbukas. May peanut butter. So pagka in-open niya siya guys, ganito yung bubungad sa inyo. Anya! Yeah. At para saan pang magbubukas ka, pag-open mo, ito agad ang bubungad sa'yo.
Don't forget the secret.
Ang pinakamasarap.
Don't forget the secret. Don't forget the happy one.
Yeah.
Even happy one, the secret.
Oh, so first, we open this one. Oh, let's check. What's the alog? Bigat gaan? Ha? Gaan lang to? Oh, gaan. Oh, let's check ha guys. Unahin muna natin ang ating box number 1. I hope we get the... What do you want to get?
I'm the wizard.
You're the wizard. What do you want to get? The secret. But we got the first sight. So ito yung itsura guys ni first sight. Oh, you want to see it?
Waha?
So meron sila lahat na stand. Yan. Yeah.
Maganda si Anya.
May upuan ba to? Or
Hindi stand yan.
upuan lang yata? Oh, may bago siya oh. May ano siya. May ano sa loob.
May style, ayun mo.
Wow! Look, ang cute ni Anya dito guys. Pinkalu. Pinkalu. Yeah. Hinahawakan niya yung teddy bear na pink.
I'm teddy bear lion.
Yeah. Paano ba siya? Ganyan lang ba siya?
Oo.
Ganyan lang siya.
Nakaluhod.
Nakaluhod tapos lalagay mo siya. You want to see it? So doon na tayo sa ating next box guys. O anong alog, Sky? Anong alog? Bigat gaan? Yeah. Is it heavy or not? Not? We got the cry. Yeah, that's what you did earlier, right? So you sit down here beside me.
No.
Yan. So yan kanina eh, cry.
Oh. You have the stand for the cry.
He's crying because ano kasi iyak siya sa school.
Back to the school.
Umutang ni galing yung teacher daw.
Wow! Ganda oh. Ang cute ni Anya dito oh. Yeah, tapos crying siya and ganda ng dress niya. Then we will put her on her stand. Oh, it's so easy oh. Ang cute niya. Cute ni Anya dito sa cry. It's look like Skylar.
No.
No?
It looks like my friend. It looks like my sister.
Sister?
Yeah.
Who? Anya Gray? How about the next? Ito na yung pangatlo. Oh, try it. Is it heavy or gaan? Go on. Really? Oh, let's try to open. Sana secret guys. Yeah. We got the shock.
Shock. Ano shock?
Ano yung shock? Right? So meron din siyang stand.
He's scared.
She's scared.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Ganda niya dito oh.
And look guys. Look guys, there's 2 holes.
2 holes.
Let me put this stand in.
Ang bilis nito guys. Last 3 na lang tayo. Ang galing ah. Oh, nagulat siya. umupo muna siya. Then cry siya. Then, shock siya.
Bruh.
Ano na next? Oh, is it heavy? Or gaan? What do you think? Ha? Heavy or gaan? Ha? Gaan? Parang heavy eh. I think it's sleepy for me. Let's check.
I think it's sleepy.
Let's check.
I have to look that
Yeah.
last time and then it disappeared.
Disappear? Oh, it's correct. It's sleepy.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy it. I'm so sleepy.
Ah, ito.
I'm gonna and then what about it?
Malaki yung ano ni
Hope we
sleepy.
get the exercising. And hope we get the secret.
Yeah, of course. Uy, ang laki ni Sleepy dito.
Yung,
Cute niya rin, oh.
Laki ah.
Diba? Laki,
Laki.
diba? Oh,
May stand siya, diba?
meron.
Remember ko. Uy! Meron dalawa din.
Yeah. Oh, lagay madali. Meron din siyang hinahawakan na parang maliit na pink bear. Then, you put it in her hands. Last two na lang, guys.
napapabantong niya.
Papabuntong hininga ako. Ano na lang kulang natin?
Secret.
Sino na lang? Si Exercise at saka
Secret.
si Secret.
Na si Happy.
Ito. Ito magaan-gaan. Parang exercise to. Let's check.
Look, si Donnie.
Oh, tama nga.
Si Donnie.
It's exercise. It's your favorite.
I like the secret.
You like the Secret?
I don't know what shoulder I am secret in. Where do I play song?
Mas lamig?
Ito.
Ganda ng ano nyo dito, hair, oh.
Ay, ang ganda ng hair niya.
Oh.
Paano i-exercise, Kai? Ay, di ka kita.
Ayan, oh. Oh. Exercise, Anya. Hawak niya ba talaga yan dyan? Ang galing ni Sky, ah. Alam, ah. Saan nalagay, ah? O, ito na yung last. Guys, ito na yung last.
Kuha namin.
Mabigat.
Mabigat.
Happy.
Oh! Ha!
Ha, ha, ha.
Matingan mo. Matingan mo. Oh.
Secret.
Secret.
Patingin mo na ako. Patingin mo na ako.
Matingan mo yung mountain. A mountain.
Kita ko na agad.
A mountain.
Happy, guys. We didn't get the secret, but it's okay.
Let me see if me happy then.
Hmm?
Let me see if me happy then.
Yung paniniwala.
I
Nick.
did not get the secret. I want the secret.
Yeah. It's because it's we will get it. Yeah, we'll get it next time. Don't worry about it. Kasi si Happy, guys, merong ayan, oh.
Happy. Happy, happy, happy. Tingnan mo, guys.
Yun.
Oh, tingnan mo, guys.
Ang galing, ah. So guys, ito yung itsura ng Happy. Ganda ng details dito ni Anya. Pero napansin ko dito na wala yung parang ano niya sa dress. Color gold. Ayan. Tsaka meron siyang ano, foam. Ay, meron siyang foam. Anong tawag dito? Anong tawag dito?
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap. So ano, what do you like the most? What is your favorite? All?
I mean,
If you want to choose, if you only have to choose one, which one do you like the most? This one, the sleepy one. Ako, ang gusto ko ay
gusto ko ito, tsaka yung
sleepy
gusto ko yung sleepy.
at saka happy. Ako,
Kasi meron ako last time yan.
ako gusto ko to dalawa. Si Shock at saka si Cry. Cry Baby.
Ano cry? Ano cry, baby? It's a cry. Ay, baby.
Yan guys. So, 6 lang sila guys. Pang-pito yung secret.
Ano gusto mo? Dalawa.
Sa dalawa, sa exercise.
And
Itong nakaupo.
Yeah. So, we got all the 6 ha. Tigda dalawa tayo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We did not get the secret, but it's okay. We will get it soon. So, paano guys? Kung nagustuhan nyo guys ang ating unboxing video, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, at mag-share ng ating YouTube channel. So, paano guys? Bye-bye! Yun!
Yun. Bye-bye. Luka.